Hi parents, welcome to the Dynamic Piano Studio. My name is Miss Diana and today we're answering a big question I hear all the time. Is it really possible for kids to learn piano online? Well, spoiler alert, yes. I'm going to show you exactly how it works through my engaging online course, what it looks like, and share why learning piano online can actually be really amazing for your family. So before we jump in, if you find videos like this helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button for more tips, resources, and free lessons for your child to grow their love for piano right from home here on this channel. Let's jump on in. Let's start with a quick tour of my online piano course. My course is structured to be engaging and easy for your child to navigate right from the comfort of your own home on your own time. Lessons include high-quality video demonstrations, clear visuals, and interactive digital tools that help your child understand musical concepts step by step. Here's how the course is organized. Each lesson is short and focused, allowing your child to learn at their own pace without feeling overwhelmed. They can pause, rewind, and rewatch as needed, making sure they fully grasp each concept. Now let's dive deeper into why learning piano online can be so beneficial for your child. Number one, comfort and familiarity. Your child learns piano right at home, using their own piano, which builds confidence and comfort. Familiar surroundings mean less anxiety, easier transitions into lessons, and immediate practice opportunities that reinforce their new skills. Number two, flexible scheduling. Online courses eliminate the hassle of travel time and scheduling conflicts. Lessons are available anytime, allowing your child to learn according to your family's routine, extracurricular activities, or vacations. This flexibility makes maintaining consistent practice much easier. Number three, focused attention. Online courses allow personalized learning experiences, letting your child revisit lessons as often as needed. This self-paced format means your child receives exactly the support they need, tailored to their unique learning style and speed. Clear, easy to follow lessons. The course is intentionally designed to be clear and easy to follow. High quality video demonstrations and step-by-step instructions help your child learn with ease, keeping lessons enjoyable and frustration-free for everyone involved. Number five, immediate reinforcement. After each lesson, your child has a chance to immediately practice and reinforce their new skill with their practice videos. This instant application helps concepts stick, building confidence quickly as they see their own progress firsthand. To give you an idea, here's a quick look at a couple testimonials from parents of children who have enjoyed the course. Now, some parents wonder about maintaining their child's engagement or worry about attention spans. I totally get it. 700 students in, I know what you're talking about, parents. Here's how we handle it in our online course. Short, digestible lessons designed specifically for young learners and their attention span. Interactive activities that maintain interest, as well as consistent, immediate feedback built right into the course structure. Plus, I'm available to provide additional support and guidance through email and supplemental resources. So can your child really learn piano online? Absolutely. And I'd love for you to experience it firsthand. In the show notes below, you'll find a link where you can try your first class free. Visit the website, explore the course yourself, and discover how simple and joyful piano lessons from home can truly be. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated for more ways to support your child's musical journey, as well as some free resources and lessons for your child here on the channel. Thanks so much for watching. I can't wait to see your child blossom as a confident, joyful pianist and musician. See you soon.